Hey guys, Michael Stillwell here from Stillwell Pianos in Mesa, Arizona, and I'm sitting in front of a 1976 Baldwin R. This piano just came in with a bunch of other Rs for some reason. We just got a bunch of Baldwin Rs at the same time. But we love these pianos. They are so easy to sell because the second you guys sit down on them, you buy them because they sound and play amazing. Baldwins have Renner actions in them from Germany, even though this is a handmade American piano. This does have a German action in it. The piano itself, all Baldwins, this is a very typical sounding Baldwin if you played one in the past, but they have a very warm, almost biting sound, especially in the bass. They growl a little bit at you, which is typical of an American piano. But I'll play a little bit for you. I am not a concert pianist by any means. I'm a piano technician, but this is just to give you kind of an idea of what this piano sounds like and plays like. Oh, also, by the way, this piano does have a unique little lock right here. This allows the person to shut this all the way, and you could even put a lock right here so this doesn't open at all. We left it there. If you guys don't want it, we can take it off and fill the hole, but without further ado, I'll play a little bit for you. Have a beautiful treble. Very sweet sounding. So as always, guys, if you have any piano related questions about this piano or any other pianos on our website or in our store, always feel free to shoot me an email at michael@stillwellpianos.com. Thanks for watching, guys.